What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jessy here. I'm crazy excited. Hasbro Toys just sent me a box of their newest Mighty Mugs. That's right, Mighty Mugs are back. Let's get this bad boy unboxed and check out what's inside. Let's check it out. Alright, quick little history lesson for you guys. Before Funko Pops were a thing, there was Mighty Mugs. These were so friggin' cool. I loved them. They had them in a whole bunch of different series. They had them in Marvel for a number of different characters. They had Star Wars, Transformers. I can't remember all the other variations of Mighty Mugs that they produced. Hasbro Toys made these back in about 2004, 2005, 6-ish time frame. I can't really remember. I have quite a decent collection of these, and I'll give you a little cut over to my office space where I have these in a glass case. It was sad to hear that they were no longer being made and sort of disappeared from the marketplace for a few years, but I'm very, very excited to see that they brought them back with a slight twist. And you'll get what I say in just a second. Alright, so let's check this out. This is the box that was sent to me in the mail from Hasbro Toys. Thank you guys. Hashtag MuggLife. MuggLife! So, let's check it out. It looks like we got a little push pocket thing for my cell phone. Thank you guys. Alright, so let us check this out. So it looks like... Alright, it looks like they've sent over Black Panther. Very excited about this. Look at this. Pop, 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 pop. A Star Wars Yoda, Star Wars Chewbacca, and a Black Widow. Actually, the shell casing for this is really, really nice here. I need to get a screwdriver of some sorts to get these out of here. There is a little twist top pull thing on the bottom here, so let me grab a screwdriver. I couldn't find a screwdriver, but I did find a spatula for my 3D printers. Alright, pop that out. Alright, here's Black Widow. That is really cool. I love this. 3 different facial expressions. Clearly mad. Pretty happy. Looking a little mischievous here. Black Panther. Man, this one's cool. Pretty subtle facial changes, but really cool. I'm loving the design of these. They still have that nice cartoony feel to them. They still have the semi-classic Mighty Mug body shape with the now twist that you can get the different facial expressions. Pretty awesome. Happy I am that Mighty Mugs are back. Oh. That was my horrible attempt at a Chewbacca voice. I just want to say thanks again to Hasbro Toys for passing these along for me to unbox and show you guys today. Loving these guys. Absolutely loving them. I was a huge fan, like I said, of the old Mighty Mug series, and I have a funny sinking suspicion I will be picking up a lot more of these, and you'll be seeing them on display behind me here as my collection here continues to grow. Loving the swappable faces as well. This is a great little desk display piece, or anybody that's a collector out there and is loving on the Marvel or Star Wars collections out here. These are perfect for everybody out there. Also, I should point out they retail for about $10 a piece, all depending on where you're picking them up. And yeah, you can pretty easily find them in the toy department section of Target, Walmart, Toys R Us. Well, Toys R Us is closing, but maybe like the Amazons as well out there. Just want to say thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks again to Hasbro Toys. If you liked this, let me know down below. Were you fans of Mighty Mugs? If not, you should be, because it's pretty cool. I loved them as well. But let me know what you think, what characters you'd like to see in this, because I for sure would love to see a Magneto, maybe a Deadpool. I have to check and see if there's a Deadpool available, because I definitely will need to pick up Deadpool before Deadpool 2 comes out. Alright, hey, thanks again for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye now.